Hi everyone, this is Manish from indushindi.com. In this video, we are going to discuss about personal and demonstrative pronouns, and we will talk about the direct case, which also calls nominative case. So let's begin. Personal pronouns are like English. In Hindi, first person singular pronoun is मैं, which means I. In sentence, we can say मैं मनीष हूँ. मैं मनीष हूँ. I'm Manish. And the second example is मैं ठीक हूँ. मैं ठीक हूँ, which means I'm good or I'm fine. And the first person plural pronoun is हम, which means we. In sentence, we can use like this: हम ठीक हैं. We are fine. हम ठीक हैं. We are fine. And the second person is little bit different from English, because here in English we use like you for singular and plural both, right? But in Hindi there are three forms of you. Like first person singular is tu, which means you, right? Tu. Like in example, I can say tu कैसा है. तू कैसा है. It means how are you, right? How are you? I would suggest you not to use this pronoun because it has very intimate and rude meaning. If you don't have very intimate relation with someone, then I think you should not use this pronoun. Second person's plural form is तुम, which is you. तुम कैसे हो? How are you? But here is one more suggestion, like we use this pronoun if we have very friendly relationship with someone, or we are very familiar, or in informal situation. And the next one is aap, which also means you. Aap is a very like polite, respectful and good way to express, to talk someone. Aap kaise hain? How are you? The next one is the third person singular is yah and wah. Yah kaun hai, which means who is she. And if I'll say, if someone is close, then we use yah. If someone is far, then we say wah kaun hai, who is he. And it has meaning like yah is this and wah is that also. And the third person plural is ye and we. Ye and we, which means they. In sentence, we can say ye kaun hain? Who are they? Who are they? And the next one is we. The plural form of wah is we. We kaun hain? Who are there? But in colloquial Hindi, like we use wo for wah and ye for yah. For singular, we use ye and wo. For close, ye, and for far, wo. I think it's clear, but there is one thing you have to remember, like whenever we use all plural forms like hum, aap, तुम, ये, वे, we use I just singular also. To show respect to someone, we just pluralize the sentence. So we use hum, tum, aap, ye, we as a singular. So make them in real plural. We have to remember one more word, which is log. Log, which literally means people. Then we can say हम लोग ठीक हैं. We are good. तुम लोग कैसे हो? How are you? आप लोग कैसे हैं? How are you? वे लोग कैसे हैं? How are they? So keep in mind the log thing. If you like this video, please like virtually. Press the like button. And if you know someone who also interested learning Hindi, then share this video to them. Goodbye.